Oh, my thing is, Minnie's pretty, bro.
Yeah.
But
Minnie's beautiful.
Why can't she keep a man?
No, I think I'm suspecting with this guy. I don't know what the other guys, but with this guy, I feel like maybe he had a fantasy. Because Minnie was like the hot girl. Remember, there was a period where she was the girl.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And I feel like maybe that's when the doctor was still coming up, still doing x-rays there.
Yeah,
You know what I
yeah,
mean?
yeah.
And now he's got it. And maybe he just wanted that experience. That's how I see it.
Bro.
We will never know because we went inside. But I feel like maybe it's that. And he realized that, okay, what now?
Yeah, I have a friend who wants that experience. See, I know you're watching. We spoke about it.
With who?
After this guy, it's me. Kiki line.
You're out of line, man. Oh, you want to date Minnie?
Yeah, or
Damn.
yeah, le ba mmal or le nna ke shit. Lena naja.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, there's got to be something wrong with her. Like maybe a coochie smells or something, bro.
No.
Yeah.
You know this happens.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. We are trend making emva kokuthi adrege uMinnie Dlamini lapha ku podcast yakhe. This was after uMinnie Dlamini broke up with the current guy that she was dating, Lord Doctor. So uMacG said ukuthi why uMinnie Dlamini angabi lucky when it comes to love. It means ukuthi there's a problem with her. Like he even said ukuthi maybe her cookie smells, and people felt ukuthi he was being really disrespectful. Why I'm telling ngale. Some people are even saying ukuthi vele uMacG doesn't have respect for women, and none have noticed that because uMacG akamind ukukhuluma ngemfati wakhe lapha ku podcast. Like he really doesn't mind kukhuluma ngana lady nje avele nje akhulume ngayo lapha ku podcast. Ubone nje le ndaba akhuluma ngayo nje, it's off. Akekho umuntu ongakhuluma ngemfati wakhe ngale ndlela ku podcast, into leyibukelwa wonke umuntu. So people said ukuthi uMacG needs to be addressed because akabahloniphi abantu besifazane, akahloniphi kwanaye, and abantu bathi bamtolerate for too long now. It's time badele naye accordingly. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.